Hello guys! Try natin sagutan itong ating CSE review for today. Evaluate 8 plus 3x all over 5 wherein our x is equals to 4. So first, let's write yung ating given. So ngayon, sabi dito, yung ating x daw is equals to 4. So basically, yung ating x dito, papalitan lang natin ng 4. Isa-substitute lang natin yung 4 doon sa ating equation or sa ating expression. So we have 8 plus 3. So papalitan natin yung x by 4 since x is equals to 4 all over 5. And ngayon, kailangan muna natin i-simplify yung ating numerator. So una, syempre, by using MDAS rule, unahin natin yung 3 times 4. So copy natin yung 8 plus 3 times 4 is 12. Then copy natin yung divided by 5 or yung ating denominator na 5. And then for our numerator, we have 8 plus 12 which is equal to 20. Copy natin yung divided by 5. So this, madali na to. Di-divide natin yung 20 by 5 which we will have 4. So for this question, our answer is letter C, 4. So for our next question, kindly comment down your answer sa ating chat box and let's see if naiintindihan nyo yung ating review for today. And that's it for our review for today. I hope may natutunan kayo and maraming salamat sa panonood.